I'm Zach Datson. I work for BBC R&D.
I'm Sanna Myllykangas. I work as a storyboard artist at Aardman Animations.
My name's Sarah Ellis. I'm Director of Creative Innovation at the Royal Shakespeare Company.
I'm a journalist and broadcaster, and just 30 minutes ago I was reading the news on the Radio 2 breakfast show from this very studio. You can see my mic next to me.
So my name's Naomi and I am Creative Director at Avanti Media.
My name is Amy and I am the Global Director of Recruitment and Outreach for a company called Framestore. You name a screen essentially and we produce computer graphics for those screens.
Now is a really democratic time for making and creating video. It's probably the most democratic time there's ever been because it's all on the smartphone at the end of your arm. So everybody can make something or get together with someone who's got a smartphone and make things together.
Nobody from my family has a job in the creative industries. I'm the first. My mum worked in a supermarket, my dad was a mechanic, now works as an MOT tester. So it's brilliant to hear that those barriers to entry have kind of disappeared in a way.
Obviously, we couldn't send as George Clooney and Sandra Bullock as it was to space. That's not possible. There isn't any insurance on Earth that would cover you doing that. So it had to be visual effects, but it needed to feel absolutely real.
You had any challenges with kind of, I guess, especially with characters like Feathers McGraw?
Most characters, they have, eyeballs and pupils, they have eyebrows, they have hands, they have shoulders. He didn't have any of those. Feathers was a particularly challenging character to work with, I have to say, and I greatly enjoyed that as a challenge.